Yes. Okay. Now we are going to start with the third unit, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, now before we start, you all know what
means?
you all know what are nouns. Chiran, can you tell me what are nouns? Chiran, you can unmute yourself and you can say.
Name animals, birds, person,
Then and place. Okay, so what are nouns? Yes, very good, Chiran. Okay, so what are nouns? Nouns are nothing but anything that names a person, place, animal, or things are called as nouns. Okay, in nouns itself, you have, now for example, boy is a noun, table is a noun, then you have city is a noun, right? Table, boy, then you have city, then you have dog, right? All these are all nouns, right? Okay, now can you count in a classroom? Can you count the number of tables that are there?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Page number, ma'am.
1 minute.
Just
Okay. 1 minute. Please do not open your textbook for now. Just pay attention to what I'm telling you. Okay. Do not unmute yourself as well. Okay. Kindly do not unmute yourself. Okay. Now in the classroom, okay, in the classroom you find tables. Then you have boys who are sitting in the class, and then the cities. In India itself, you have so many cities. Then you have dogs which you see roaming around in the street. Can you count all these? All these are called as nouns, right? Can you count the number of tables either at home or in the class? Yes, you can count. You can say there are 14 or 15 tables in the classroom. Yes. The same way, the number of boys present, you can still count the number of boys, right? And then city, you can still count the number of city. Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, all these you can count the number of cities. Dog also you can count. You can say there are 4 dogs roaming around in my street, right? You can count the number of dogs. Okay, so the nouns.
good morning, ma'am.
Okay, the nouns that you can count are called as countable nouns. Okay,
Good morning, ma'am.
any noun which you can count are called as countable
Good morning,
nouns.
ma'am.
Okay. Good morning, Ali Bibina. Okay. So
Good morning, ma'am.
any noun which you can count are called as countable nouns. Now, what are uncountable nouns? What do you mean by uncountable nouns? Nouns which you cannot count. For example, okay, you have
Water,
milk, water, juice,
water, milk.
curd. Okay, all these are also called as nouns. But can you count how much of milk is there in a glass? Can you count? Count, right? Okay, so the nouns which you cannot count are called as uncountable nouns. These are nouns which you cannot count. You can count. There are 4 tumblers of milk you can count, but then in a tumbler, if they ask you how much of milk is there, probably you will say half a glass, a quarter glass, or full glass. You cannot say, you cannot count and say there is 10 milk or 3 milk. You cannot say that, right? So these and all are called as uncountable nouns. Okay, nouns which cannot be counted are called as uncountable nouns, while the nouns which can be counted are called as countable nouns. Okay, did you all understand all this? Yes, very
ma'am.
okay. Now take your grammar book. Okay, now take your grammar book. Turn your book to page number 20. Okay, turn your book to page number 20. Unit 3, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, now first half of the page, I want you to put your finger and pay attention to it. Okay. Can worksheet 1, Can you count oranges, pens, books, monkeys, and girls? You can count all these, right? All this, orange, pen, book, monkey, girl, all these are all nouns and you can count them, okay? Yes, you can. You can count, you can say 10 oranges, 4 pens, 15 books, 7 monkeys, and 5 girls, right? You can count how many ever are there. These nouns are called as countable nouns, okay? Like I told you, a noun which you can count are called as countable nouns. Now, next one, can you count milk, water, air, or rice? No, you cannot count them, right? Okay, so these nouns are called as uncountable nouns.
No.
Yes. Okay, so remember here, nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns like book, table, man, lady, lion, cup,
Lion.
some
Cup.
examples of countable nouns. Okay, nouns that cannot be counted are called as uncountable nouns. For example, water, milk, sugar are some of the examples of uncountable nouns. Okay, now we'll do the worksheet B here. Circle the nouns in the following sentences and write them in the right columns. Okay, you have 2 columns given here. Okay, it is written countable nouns and uncountable nouns. First, we will circle the nouns here and then we will put them under the correct columns. Okay, now the first sentence, water is very useful to us. Which is the noun here in the sentence?
Water.
Very good. Underline water.
Water.
Yes.
Water.
Yes, circle water in the first sentence. Circle water. Okay. One, keep your clothes in the cupboard.
Clothes.
Very good.
Clothes. Clothes.
Yes.
Clothes, ma'am.
Circle clothes. Okay, third one. I like to listen to stories. Which is the noun?
Story. Story, ma'am. Stories. Stories.
Circle stories. Okay, next, fourth one. Milk helps you to grow strong.
Milk, ma'am.
Good. Milk.
Milk, ma'am. Milk, ma'am.
Circle milk. Fourth sentence, circle milk. Next, fifth one.
Glass, ma'am.
With brittle. Glass. Very good.
Glass. Glass, ma'am.
Okay, circle glass. Then sixth one. Would you like to drink tea?
Coffee.
Very good. Tea and coffee. You will circle both. Okay, circle tea.
Coffee. Tea and coffee.
Okay, next. The children walk down to their class.
Children.
Very good.
Children.
Yes.
Children.
Okay, circle children. Circle children. Okay, next one. Eighth one.
Juice. Soup. Juice. Soup.
Yes.
Rice, ma'am. Juice. Soup.
Yes, circle both the words rice and soup. You will circle. Are potatoes. His favorite vegetables are potatoes and brinjals.
Vegetables, potatoes, brinjal. I can't hear you, ma'am. Vegetables.
Both potatoes and brinjal.
Ma'am, I can't get you, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Told you. Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Can the rest of you all hear me? Just show a thumbs up if you're able to hear me. Yes, very good. Okay, then if someone is not able to hear, then please log off and log in again. Okay. Now, ninth one, you should have circled potatoes and brinjals. Okay, they are nouns. Now, next one, spread the jam on the bread.
Jam bread.
Jam bread.
Very good.
ये bread बोली sorry.
Jam and bread. Okay, you will and circle both the words here. Okay, circle both the words. So the first sentence you should have circled water. Second sentence clothes.
Uncountable nouns.
Uncountable nouns.
Third sentence stories. Fourth sentence milk. Fifth,
Milk.
sixth sentence tea or coffee. Seventh sentence children. Eighth sentence rice or rice and soup. Ninth sentence potatoes and brinjal. And the last sentence you can circle jam and bread. Okay, all of you have circled all these.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now we will put these into the right columns. Okay, whether it is countable or uncountable. Okay, you have two columns. Given there. Countable nouns. Right? Okay, now first one, water. In the first sentence, you have circled water.
Uncountable noun.
Very good. Right. I write water under uncountable.
Uncountable noun.
Yes, write it under this column. Write WATER, water. Okay, you have to write it under uncountable nouns. Second one, clothes. Clothes, is it countable or uncountable?
Countable noun. Countable noun. Countable noun.
Yes. CLOTHES. Clothes.
Yes.
Okay.
CLOTHES ಏನ್ ಬರೀತಿಯದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Yes, clothes. Third sentence you have circled baby.
ಕೈಗೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ದುರಾಂಕ.
Okay, third sentence you have circled stories. Stories, is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
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 STORIES. Stories. Write it down under countable noun. STORIES. Stories. Countable. Okay, now next one. Fourth one, milk. Okay, the fourth sentence you have circled milk. Milk is
Uncountable.
uncountable. So below water, write MILK, milk. Write down MILK, milk. Okay. Now next one, glass is very brittle.
Countable. 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 Countable.
Write down under countable noun, write GLASS. Okay, glass. Okay, next sixth sentence you have underlined tea or coffee. So under which will it come?
Uncountable. Uncountable noun.
You cannot coffee. Very good. Write down TAT or COFFEE. Coffee under uncountable nouns. Tea or coffee will come under uncountable nouns.
Ma'am, Devansh is joining them.
Okay, tea or coffee under uncountable nouns. Next one, children. Children, can you count them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so they will come under.
Countable.
Yes, very good. CHILDREN. Write it down under countable nouns. CHILDREN. Children.
Children.
So are they countable or uncountable?
No. Countable table.
Countable? Can you count rice and soup?
No, uncountable.
Uncountable.
Yes, it is uncountable.
Uncountable noun, ma'am.
Rice and soup. SOUP. Write it down under uncountable noun. Okay, RICE, rice. AND and SOUP, soup. Okay, next one. His favorite vegetables are potatoes and brinjals. Can you count potatoes and brinjals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So they will count.
Countable nouns.
Yes, write down potatoes. POTATOES, potatoes and brinjals. BRINJALS, brinjals. INJALS, brinjals.
Spelling.
Count jam.
बोल मनु.
No, ma'am.
Very good. You cannot count jam. So jam will come under uncountable nouns. Okay.
Countable nouns.
Jam under uncountable noun. Okay, next one, bread.
Bread countable, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Under countable, right? BREAD.
Countable, ma'am.
Yes, bread will come under countable noun. Okay, all of you are finished here?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Still writing?
Ma'am, voice is breaking, ma'am.
Kirtana, please log off and log in again, ma'am. Or you need to check your internet connection.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the rest of you all have finished this. Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Yes, ma'am.
இங்க வரணும்டா ஜாம்.
The ones who are writing, write down quickly.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, shall I erase the board now? Yes. Okay. Main. Next main. B part over here. I think should be C. Okay. Unscramble the letters given to get countable and uncountable nouns. Circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. Okay. First we will unscramble the words and then we will do the circling part. Okay. Now first one, you use this to make a sandwich. What do you use to make a sandwich? Very good.
Butter.
Yes, write down. U-T.
Butter.
Butter. B-U-T-E-R. Butter. Write it down in the first dash.
C-I-E.
Okay. Second one,
Juice.
you find this on a beach. What do you find on a beach? Shells. Very good. Now,
Shell. S-H.
S.
S-H-E-L-L.
S-H-E-L-L. Shell. Okay. Next, third one, good to drink on a hot day.
Juice.
Juice. Very good.
Thank you. Use my brain na कैसे पले?
E. Juice. J-U-I-E-E. Juice.
मम्मी बटर दो और बटर दो.
C. Okay, next, fourth one, need this to fry.
Oil.
Oil. I-L. Oil. Write down. O-I-L. O-I-L. Oil. Can be seen over it can be seen over flowers. What can be seen over flowers?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Butterfly, ma'am.
F-I. Butterfly. F-L-Y. Butterfly. Okay, next one. We need this to
Yeah.
very good. A-I-R. Air. A-I-R. Air. Okay, next seventh one. Ship of the desert. Which animal is called as the ship of the desert?
Camel.
Write down C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Very good. Camel is called as the ship of the desert. Okay. Next, last one. Your favorite pizza will be tasteless without this.
Cheese.
Very good. Very good. Write down C-E-E-S-E. Okay. So now we have unscrambled all the words now. Now what are they saying? You have to circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. Countable or uncountable? Can you count?
Uncountable.
Very good. So it is uncountable. You will butter. Underline butter. Shell isn't countable or uncountable.
Countable.
Very good. Shell.
Countable, ma'am.
Circle shell.
Countable, ma'am.
Very good. Circle it.
Uncountable.
Next one, juice. Is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Very good. Uncountable. So you will underline it.
Uncountable.
Okay. Next, oil. Is it countable?
1 minute.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Very good. Oil also is uncountable. Underline that. Okay. Next, butterfly. Counts the butterflies.
You ma'am. Countable.
Very good. Butterfly is a countable noun. So you will circle butterfly. Circle butterfly.
Countable.
Is it countable?
Countable, ma'am. Uncountable.
Air? Can you count air? Air is everywhere, right? Can you count it?
Countable. No, ma'am. No,
Uncountable.
ma'am.
Yes, underline. You will just underline it. It is a uncountable noun. Okay. Next one, camel. Can you count camel?
Yes.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
will circle it. Circle it. It's a countable noun. Next one, cheese. Can you all count cheese?
No, ma'am.
Very good. It is an uncountable noun. So underline cheese. All of you have finished till here? All of you have finished till here? Yes. Okay. You will understand what a countable noun is.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone has any doubt in this here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Then if you all do not have any doubt, then we will finish with today's class.